What if I tell you one such technique, one such method which proved to be the milestone in my learning, in my speaking learning? And that method is not like I have heard somewhere on any YouTube channel and I tried. No, this wasn't learned on any YouTube. No one told me about that technique, about that method. I myself tried that way, because one day when I was trying very hard, I realized that now I should try something different, something new. Because I was trying a lot, every method I used to watch on YouTube, but not a single method was working in such a way as I could say that it was the best method, or it was working as it was told in the YouTube channel, right? On the YouTube channel, right? Now let's the cat out of the bag without wasting the time. So here we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today, before starting the video, let me ask you to please, because I always forget in the beginning to ask you to please subscribe the channel, like the video and do comment. If you would love to watch the video, do comment, and if you want to ask anything, because I need your support, I need to get success on YouTube so that I can help more people, right? So now the name of the method, let me clear one thing, this is not the method which I heard somewhere. I tried it on my own, right? So the method is, the name of the method would be like something different. LVWRSS. These are the 5 steps, 5 ways I myself tried, and it proved to be like a milestone in my learning, right? So here we go. Number 1, listening. Listening any 4 to 5 minutes speech like podcast. If someone if I suggest, then listen like a speech, motivational speech, so that it will be easier to learn it, to remember it at the time of speaking. I'm not asking you to cram, right? So listen any speech, motivational speech in English, that and the duration of the speech must be 4 to 5 minutes only, right? Listen that speech, or duration, you can decide the duration, but if I suggest, must be 4 to 5 minutes, right? Listen, and it's obvious you will come to know lots of the words which you will not be able to know the meaning. So look into the dictionary. And the main point, when you will be listening the podcast, the speech, you will come across many words. Those words are to be written. Number 2, vocabulary. Listening, listen carefully, wholeheartedly, with concentration, with deep emotions, so that you can speak them at the time of speaking, right? The next step is vocabulary. Whatever you will be listening, obviously so many words will be there, you won't be able to know the meaning. So look into the dictionary, and the main important part, the dictionary must be English to English. Don't look the dictionary, don't take help of your native language dictionary. It will make you able only to translate. So don't have any meaning of any word in your native language. Look into the dictionary, that must be from English to English. First step, listen with concentration, then vocabulary, write vocabulary, note down the words. Then the third step, write. After listening, shut down the mobile phone, shut down that video. Then now you have listened carefully. Now what is coming in your mind, write all those things. The speech now is to be written. The third step, you have to write whatever you have to listen. Same thing, right? Same thing. Now after writing, the fourth step is to read. Read read loudly 5 times. When you will be writing, you after that you will be reading 5 times, right? And after reading, it's obvious that the concept of the speech has been set in your mind, as you have listened properly, you have written the words, you have written the whole speech, and you have read the speech 5 times. It means now the speech, now the words, now the concept has been clear in your mind. Now do shadowing practice the same speech. Why I'm saying again and again is speech, just because don't listen. A podcast is like a conversation. You can't remember the conversation, you can remember the motivational speech, right? So now do shadowing practice. Open, switch on your phone, start listening that same speech, and do shadowing practice. Now shadowing practice will be easy. Shadowing practice will be easy because you have listened it, you have written it, you have read it. Now the time is to speak with the speaker. Now the time is to speak with the speaker with the same tone, same rhythm, same intonation, same pronunciation, everything. These 5 steps. Now the step number 6 that will improve your spoken, that is shut down your phone, cite the paper where you have written the topic, don't look into the dictionary, the vocabulary, everything. Just close your eyes, and whatever you have read, whatever you have listened, whatever you have written, whatever you have practiced in shadowing practice, now the time to speak. First close your eyes, memorize whatever you have listened, and speak in one time. Then open your eyes, stand in front of the mirror, speak next time in front of the mirror. Then third time, record yourself, same thing, speak before the camera. First time close your eyes and speak, second time stand in front of the camera and speak, then third time record yourself and speak the same topic. Then watch that recording, and whatever mistakes will be there, point out those mistakes, observe those mistakes, and remove those mistakes. Then speak removing the mistakes. Then 10th time, now you will be expert in speaking that the same thing which you have written, which you have listened, which you have written the vocabulary, which you have practiced in shadowing practice, which you have practiced while closing your eyes, which you have practiced while in front of the mirror, which you have practiced before the camera, which you have practiced after removing your mistakes. Then on 10th time, you will speak like a good speaker. It improved me a lot. This method has covered each and everything: the vocabulary, the writing practice, the reading practice, the listening practice, the shadowing practice, the mirror practice, the recording practice. Everything has been consumed. Everything has been consumed within such method, that is LVWRSS method. L, listening, V, vocabulary, W, write, R, read, S, speak, shadowing, then speak. These are 6 steps. Then speak, closing eyes, mirror, recording, after removing the mistakes. Then 10th time you will be perfect on speaking that topic. It will consume your time. It won't be like a walk in the park. It won't be like a bed of roses. It would be a Herculean task, I know. It would be like a hard nut to crack, I know. But if you want to improve, you have to do everything which will improve you. And you know what would be the benefits while you will listening? You will improve your listening power. Words will get into your ear and will set in your mind while you will listening power. From listening, the words will get into the brain, and when they will be into the brain, your brain practice will be done. Then when you will do shadowing practice, when you will do reading practice, your mouth muscles will get trained, your pronunciation will improve, your intonation will improve in shadowing practice, your speaking will be faster, your speed will improve, your vocabulary at the time of vocabulary, it will improve your vocabulary, right? In mirror practice, it will improve your confidence. When you will see face the camera and will speak, it will boost your confidence, it will improve your fluency, it will decrease the possibility of making mistakes. When you will record the video, you will make mistakes. After watching that video, you will remove those mistakes. And in this process, every aspect is to be trained. Your eye, your hand, your while you will write the topic, you will improve your sentence structure, you will improve your language pattern, and all get set into your mind. You will be, when you will look into the dictionary, that would be from English to English, it will reduce the pressure of translating. You will think direct in English. So this is my personal process. I personally did this thing. I never heard about this technique, this method on any YouTube channel. I didn't listen. It was just my effort. It was just my training to train my mouth muscles. Everything got improved. My mouth muscles, my ear muscles, my brain, my handwriting, my speaking, everything. This is like a complete package to improve your fluency. From broken English, I became a good speaker, a complete package. So if you will try this method, just 7 days, do this practice just 7 days, guys. Within just first attempt, from attempt 1 to attempt 10, you yourself will feel good on attempting this method for the first time. When you will speak, first step will be listening. When you will speak without anything, on 10th attempt, you will become confident, you will become fluent, you will become without hesitation. It will improve your confidence, it will reduce your hesitation, it will reduce your broken English, it will reduce your grammatically mistakes, it will reduce your pressure of translation, it will improve your thinking in English, it will improve each and everything whatever is needed to speak a good English, to speak fluent English, to speak confident English. So try this, guys. It will help you. It helped me a lot. And it's practical. It practically helped me. And I noticed improvement every single day. This method is not like it will help you after 7 days or 1 month. You will notice improvement every single day. It's my 100% guarantee. So try it, guys. It is really beneficial. It helped me a lot. It was like a milestone. It proved to be a milestone in the process of my learning. Before trying this method, all my efforts went down in flames, were not working as much as it started improving when I started using this try, because it was my personal trial. It was my it These were my personal efforts. And when we start working for something personally, then improvement is what should I say, improvement is 100%, right? So try this method. And yes, like, share and subscribe. Do comment that why do you want to learn English, and what is what have which step was like you thought that it is a good step. I think for if someone asked me that what was the good step, I think each and every step li- uh, was linked with each other, and it was my best technique. I think best technique, I can say best, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and try this.